Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Christmas! Well, it's not Christmas, it's December, of course. I thought I'm going to try to participate in Vlogmas this year, but I'm going to make it really super simple for myself. I'm probably going to do, most of the videos are going to be around like 5 minutes or so that I can get them out in the day, but it's always going to be something to do with like something Christmassy. So today I'm up quite early. I'm about to get waxed. Ooh, so good. I hate this time every single month, but once I've done that, I've decided on the way home there's a range en route, so I'm going to pop into the range because they are really good for Christmas decorations. I pretty much have all my Christmas decorations, I can't lie. Like I've got a beautiful tree and some beautiful decorations that I almost perfected last year, but I'm going to pop in and see if there's anything else that I would like, but mainly just to show you guys what there is in store. So strap in. I hope that you enjoy this video and this new series of videos. I'm going to really try hard to stick to it. I promise I'm going to try so hard. There might be some days that I don't get around to doing it because honestly I'm so boring of a person. I don't do a lot. So I'd rather just skip a day than like just waffle on in your ears. But for days that I am doing something, I'm going to try to make an effort to like go to a different shop every day kind of thing to see what decorations there are, or like do something Christmassy, or like sometimes they'll just be normal vlogs because I've got a lot of vlog footage from a couple of previous weeks that I still need to throw together. So some days you'll get a 5-minute vlog, some days a 20-minute vlog, some days probably a 40-minute vlog, but hopefully every day you're going to be getting a vlog. Okay, and on that note, I will see you in the range. We're here, baby.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Guys, I am so excited. I feel so in the Christmas spirit now. I did end up buying a couple of things, nothing crazy. I didn't really buy any like decorations for the tree as such, but just things that I'd like to put around different rooms in the house. I think I mentioned to you, or if I haven't, it will be coming up soon. I want to try to decorate a little more than just the living room this year for Christmas, so that the whole house feels quite Christmassy. But yeah, so I ended up buying this gonk. I have a weird new obsession with gonks since last year. Now I'm obsessed with gonks, so I got him. He was $12.99, which I think is a bargain. If you can see how big he is, he's a little bit grayer than I wanted him to be. His hat is a very nice neutral, but then he's a bit grey. But anyway, then I also picked up this, which I thought was so cute. Again, a little gonk scenario. This was $4.99. $4.99. So it's a tea light holder. It's got all of the stars cut out, so in the evening when it's pretty dark and you put a tea light in here and light it, it'll just be like such a vibe. You know how it will be. Then I also picked up a couple of like foodie bits. So this one here, because I asked in my stories today what like Christmas cake I could make, style cakes I could make that aren't like puddings and like Christmas, with like the fruit in. I don't really like those. So someone said you can make a Bailey's cheesecake. And I was like, that is exactly what I'm making today. So I saw these randomly and I picked these up. These like Bailey chocolate truffles with a cream inside. Oh, they were like $3.99 or something. And then I also picked up this. This is actually a Christmas present for Rob's dad. He loves a little bit of chocolate and he loves gimmicky stuff like this. So all of these are different alcohol liqueurs. So they're all different kind of, I don't know, like, yeah, alcohol chocolate. So I just thought that's a nice easy little like stocking filler for him. Pick that up. I also got a diffuser in the scent cookie sugar because I have such a sweet tooth, especially at Christmas time. I love all the traditional scents like cinnamon and like pine leaves and pine needles and all of that sort of stuff, but for me, sugar cookies, anything that smells like sugar and cookies baking at Christmas makes me so happy. Now, I don't know if this is going to be any good. Diffusers are a bit hit and miss with me. I feel like they have to be very, very usually expensive to have like a really good perfume content so that they actually like spread around the room. This one was only like $2.99 or something. Yeah, it was $2.29. So I don't have the massive hopes, but we never know. You have to wait and try and see. And then the final thing that I bought, again, I've not tried these chocolates, these candles specifically, but I got a double pack of candles. These were $6.99 for the pair, and we've got warm apple pie and then sugar cookie. Again, they're not necessarily the most aesthetically pleasing in terms of like candle. They're just like a plain glass vessel with a sticker on the front, but it doesn't matter. At Christmas time there's a little bit of colour injection into my home, so I'm happy for those to be on display, and especially if they smell good, then doesn't bother me. But yeah, that was my random little haul. So in total I spent about like £33, which I don't think is bad for like some really good like Christmas staple pieces that will be with me for years to come. And then I also ended up picking up this puds. Now I've been seeing this in shops, but I've been trying to be healthy, so I haven't picked it up yet, but I'm starving today. And when you're hungry and you go food shopping and you want to buy everything, that is the kind of scenario that I was in. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. And I thought I'd do a little taste test on the first Christmas vlog of the year. Let's hope there are many more. Cheers everyone, here's to many more. Give you my my verdict. It's very pretty. I thought it'd just be like a plain ball, but it's got decoration on it. It's pretty good. It's not blowing my socks off, but it's nice. You can't go wrong with Cadbury's, to be honest. But it's not as Christmassy as I thought it'd be. I think it's got little broken up bits of hazelnut inside. So it's actually it's growing on me. It is really, really nice. Someone said that you should put them in the microwave for like 5 to 10 seconds and warm them up a little bit, especially in the middle. So I probably should have tried that as well. Maybe I'll try another one during Vlogmas and we'll heat it up. Who knows? Well, there we go. For the first Christmas vlog, I am now going to head home and start editing so that I can get this out to you. Tonight is currently like, I think it's like midday or something, I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, my lovelies. Make sure to leave me a comment, let me know what things I can do during Vlogmas so that I don't run out of ideas. And also give this a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you tomorrow for the next Christmas vlog. I'm awful. I didn't even do my usual outro. I just got so excited. Anyway, take care everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.